what's good? What's happening? This is Sebastian Tam from 777FX. So today I'll be analyzing NASDAQ yet again. So let's just go over our monthly time frame. For first of all, this is the first day of August. Thank God. And last month's monthly candle ended off so gorgeous. Please look at this. At least like what? Almost 1,400 pips. Yeah, 1,400 pips. One candle. One monthly candle. It was rejecting off of our monthly supply, monthly demand zone. Alright, so it was rejecting off our monthly OB demand zone, BF5 footprint, whatever you want to call it, zone. So it was rejecting off of that area right there. Okay, so we see like a long bullish candlestick right here. So we will be actually looking for a retracement of the candle. So we're just gonna mark off like 50% of the whole candle. Cool. So if you'd asked me why exactly are we marking 50% off of this specific candle, because we are looking for a retracement, right? So let's just type that in, because we are actually looking for a retracement on the monthly. Now we are looking for like, how can I explain like, okay, let me just 15% off monthly of previous monthly candle. Let's just do that. Cool. The reason why we're marking 50% is just this. I'm like, say, I'm not even predicting or like forecasting they'll reject of the 50%. I just need to know exactly where the 50% will be so that like I can react. But let's go down lower time frame. Okay, cool. Then we go down to the 18. We see that it was rejecting, so let's just delete this. We're gonna focus from here on out. Okay. Alright. So the reason I marked off the monthly 50% of that candle right there is because now we understand that this is like the equilibrium of the candle. Right. So we're gonna look for a retracement below the 50% zone. We're gonna look for a 50% retracement or a retracement below the 50%. Right. So it does line up with this OB right here, the last down move before the up move that actually broke structure, as you can see, because this down move created this up move right here from here to here that actually broke these highs. Okay, so yeah, basically that's why we're working off this OB. And then we go down to the daily order block. Cool. Then we go down to the daily order block. So from the daily order block, we see that like this whole down move was actually that weekly OP. Now we're gonna minimize or we're gonna what's the word? Refine to a daily order block. So here's our daily order block that we're refining to. Alright. So yeah, basically it's either we're gonna look for a push down into this area right here below the 50%, and then push off first level, and yeah, bullish move. Because you know for a fact like this whole month of August will be bullish, right? The reason we say bullish is we look at the monthly, it's rejecting off of a monthly demand zone, created a monthly, sorry, bullish zone, bullish candle for the monthly, breaking the highs, a shift from bearish to bullish. So now we're just gonna look at an entry because we know for a fact that it's not gonna just start and go up. There's gonna be like a retracement, and I feel like a very deep retracement, but I think this is too deep for retracement. But like a deeper retracement within this area, I think 50% or above 50% we're looking at. So yeah, that's why I'm saying bullish. Then we go down to the daily. So the daily we actually got two zones. We got this zone right here. We got this zone right here, and this zone right here. The two buy zones. So we are gonna look at price action. This is the higher probability buy zone because it's above the 50% retracement. Okay, so it's the more higher probability buy zone. It's at the 50% of the monthly candle, and also there is a supply zone at this point. So the price can just come down here. Sorry. So the price can just come down here, tap us here, and then give us a push off. Okay, so maintain it as well. So the zone we'll be looking at, the zone right here. Right? This is the zone that we're actually going to be looking to take buys off of. Okay, so we go down to the 4 hour, try to minimize. Alright, cool. So then we go here because most basically this is the whole down candle, the OB, but we're going to refine it to this candle right here because this is the candle. Sorry, this is the candle. Really, this is the zone that was created that broke all these highs. So as you can see, this zone created this move up, which broke these highs, these highs, and didn't break this high. Okay, cool. So this is the down move, and then there's another zone right here, which was the zone I had my analysis on. Then there's this zone. So this is the up. This is the zone that actually broke. This is the zone that created this move up that broke these highs, right? And it didn't just break 4 hourly highs. It also broke these highs, and these highs. As you see what I'm saying? These highs. You feel me? Okay, cool. So yeah, it's actually this zone right here that broke these highs. This zone right here that broke these highs right here. So seeing the fact that this zone is the one that broke these previous highs all the way back in June, right? Meaning there's no bullish order flow volume right here to be triggered because the strength of the bullish order flow volume is measured by the amount of highs or the amount of structure it breaks. Okay, and how long the structure has been unbroken. So as you can see, it's been like a whole month since price came to this level and then broke it. So we are looking to take buys off of this level right here. And we remember that this level is actually like if this is 50%, this is like 38 point something, you feel me? So we have two levels to take buys off of. We have sorry, we have this first what the fuck? We have this first level right here, and then we have our second level down here. So it really depends on which one price meets sufficient order flow volume to continue with the move up. But I do think there's a higher chance of price coming down here than down here. If price does come down here, yes, that is a deeper retracement. It is a little bit above the 50% of that candle, okay. But I highly doubt that you will retrace that deep. Okay, I really doubt. Let's go on the monthly and see. Like, let's look at like previous months. When it retraced off a buy zone. Okay, cool. Like as you guys can see, there was like a buy zone created on the monthly, right? This buy zone right here is the zone that broke this previous high. Remember, a zone that breaks monthly highs is a very strong zone, and then carried on to the upside, you feel me? Moving a lot, like almost, yeah, it moved a lot away from that zone, and then price did come back to that zone right there, give us a tap off that zone and look at the next monthly candle. Right there, the next monthly candle right there. Okay, good. And then you see the retracement, you see like the bullish move upwards, right? Then look at the retracement. The retracement was at like the 38.2. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at. See. Yeah, as you like almost 38.2, almost there. That's basically how we measure the strength of buy zones. So yeah, guys, I'm looking for a retracement, not a very deep retracement, but a retracement. So that's why we're looking at this forward level right here. So we cannot delete this 50% up because it's helped us. We can also delete this, and then we refine the hourly. Refining the hourly, we find an order block that is less than 50 pips to enter off of. Okay, cool. So this order block right here is actually almost like 100 pips. Let me check that out. Yeah, almost 80. Yeah, 120. So we got onto the 50-minute to refine our order block, and we will place this line at the top. We normally place it at the wicks because now it's a refined zone, right? So on 50-minute zone, we normally place at the top, so around the 60 pip zone. So yeah, we'll enter buys off of this level. Right? We try to keep our stop loss 50 pips or less, depending on our entry. So our entry is supposed to be below here, so around 65 pips or so, which is 15 pips above or 50 pips. But yeah, we'll take that trade over there, and then yeah, basically it. So 50 pips for around 600 pips upwards. But we're gonna look for this entry. This buy entry might take sales also based on of how exactly, like, sorry, based on this candle right here, right? So it might take sales because we see a lot of bearish order flows like that to the market open. So you might look to take this sell down, maybe to fill this wick, and then yeah, we'll see exactly where we go. But overall, the buyers are down here.